Welcome to a very special episode of Camping with Pokemon. We're camping here in Watkins Glen, New York, and if you watched the short yesterday, you saw I got pretty lucky. Houndoom! Linoon. Oh, there he is! Charizard EX! I don't believe... Let's see what the cards have for us today. Here is your code card. Alright, Sinistea, Tadbulb, Numble, Mawile, Wishcash, Kangaskhan, I do need that one, Camerupt, Houndoom Reverse, and, oh, hey, another Charizard EX. Wow, that's awesome. That's like the fourth one I've pulled, and it's going in the sleeve, Charizard EX, and I don't have one in the binder, so there we go, in the binder. As you see, our Poke family has grown, and we've seen some lovely waterfalls. Alright, back to the cards. What will we find? Here is your code card. Dratini, Oddish, Doug Trio, Mawile, Arven, Stunfisk, and the Pokemon League Headquarters Verse. I did need a copy of that. Also, oh, a Darkrai. Just chilling with Charmander. And Babe has Eevee. Alright, let's open some more cards by this waterfall. See if we can have some luck here. I got these 2 packs left from that Build 'em Battle pack. I've already pulled 2 Charizards out of that Build 'em Battle pack, so my hopes are not very high. That would be crazy if there's another Charizard in here. But only one way to find out. Code card. Larvitar, Cleffa, Inkay, Masquerain, Pupitar, Crabrawler, I did need that one, Togepi, and, ooh, a Thundurus. Alright, last pack from our Build 'em Battle. Here we go. Come on out. Code card. Oh, another Dratini. Oddish. Oh, this pack looks familiar. Magmazone, Crabominable, and Bug Trio. Last card, ooh, Claydol. Well, not so much luck. How about this 3-pack? Here we are back at the campsite. It's late at night. Here's a code card. Will we pull another Charizard on this camping trip? There's your code. Tadbulb, we could use some more light. Numble, Mawile, Togedemaru, Poltergeist, Solrock, Lillipup, Electros Reverse. I think I need that one. And a Toxtricity. Alright. I think this is the last pack for this video. Larvesta, Fungus, Pidgey, Litwick, Escadrille, Pidgeotto, Dragonair, Gloom Reverse, Volcarona Reverse, and ooh, there we go. I don't have this one. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, train on.